In this video today, I'm going to share with you 3 strategies to get your 4,000 watch hours fast. If the challenge you're having right now is how to get your 4,000 watch hours, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 secrets of how to hit your 4,000 watch hours as fast as possible. This method is not a complicated one. Just sit back and listen to whatever I'm going to tell you. And the most important thing here is implementation. If you listen and you don't implement, then you may not really get the desired results. If this is your goal, then dive into it. And then by the end of the day, I'm going to give you a bonus. All right. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome. If you're an OG, thank you for always stopping by. Remember, to get monetized here on YouTube, there are criteria. Number one is to get 1,000 subscribers, and then the other one is to get your 4,000 watch hours. And then this has been a problem. I've been there. It took me like how many years to get there until I knew the secret. So I told you I'll be sharing my secrets every day as often as I can, because I know somebody's going to learn something from here. So now, secret number one, jump into challenge. You can give yourself this challenge. If you see people doing a challenge, you can also join them. And right now, I just started a challenge. It could be 30 days uploading challenge. You challenge yourself. You try to upload videos. You can take everyday upload for 30 days. You can say everyday upload for 7 days, whatever it is, but take up a challenge and work towards it. For instance, you can say, okay, I'm going to be uploading videos for 7 days. And let me tell you something. You may be asking me, what do I know? What can I be uploading for 7 days? It's not that difficult. I've seen several creators do different things. What do you know how to do? What can you do freely? And the secret here is, do not look for perfection. When you want to do this challenge, do not look for perfection. Do not look for a beautiful environment, whatever. Just motivate yourself. Get up, carry your phone and start recording. Let it look as if you are talking to a friend. Just like now I'm talking to you, it's like I'm talking to a friend and the person is just seated by me. It's not as difficult as you are thinking. What I'm saying is, start up a challenge. Challenge yourself. You can do this thing. Challenge yourself to be the best you can be. Challenge yourself to upload. And now, how is this possible? You're going to record videos. Don't do every day, because there are days I don't feel like really sitting down to shoot any video. At a go, batch film, you understand? Record up to 3, 4, 5 videos. And don't make it too long. Remember, you are just starting. Just don't, 4 is okay. 4 minutes is okay. 5 minutes, 6 minutes, yes. Because the more you do it, the better you get, the more familiar you get with the camera, okay? So don't look for perfection, don't look for the best environment, just upload. Sit down, take a topic, record, edit and upload. Yeah, that's it. This is a secret that works for people. I've seen creators challenge themselves. I'm going to upload for 30 days. And that is it. There's no way you upload for 30 days, you will not learn something, and then you will not get your desired results. So take up that challenge. Challenge yourself. I'll be telling you the truth. I'm not going to tell you what doesn't work. The second secret here is live streaming. Yes, you can be uploading videos for 30 days, right? But back it up with live streaming. The kind of live streaming you are going to do also matters. As you are uploading, also go live. Live streaming is something you cannot run away from if you are a creator. Live streaming helps you to connect. I don't want to overflog these videos with the benefits, but sometimes some videos can give you 1 watch hour, but a very engaging live stream can give you up to 100 watch hours in just 1 hour, up to 200 watch hours in just 1 hour. So live streaming is something you should opt on. Do it intentionally. As you are uploading videos, you're also live streaming. Do this for the next 30 days and come back and thank me. And then the very last key, I'm not going to be taking your time. The very last strategy or secret is shorts. If you know me very well, I always talk about short, but this is in another way now. This particular short now is the short you get from your videos. Remember, if you're uploading videos, you can also cut out some parts and put in shorts. I told you about the importance of shorts, right? Shorts will help you gain visibility. Shorts will take your videos to places you've not even known. Remember, you may not have so much subscribers, so shorts will give you that leverage. Like, feed the algorithm with content. As you upload your video, you have cut it into different, different shorts, and you're uploading. You have uploaded a video, you have about 3 different shorts, and then not just the shorts. Ensure you direct the viewers to your videos. When you upload a short, link your video to the shorts. I'm going to do another video to show you how to do that. Link your videos through your shorts where you have related videos. Don't joke with that. That has really helped me. That has made me get more watch hours for my videos, right? So don't joke with that. Whenever YouTube gives a tool, whenever YouTube gives you whatever you need to grow with, ensure you are doing it because it's for a reason. Now, I tried this for one of my videos and the result was amazing. So what am I saying? I've told you 3 secrets here. The first one I said is hop on challenge. You can call it 30 days uploading challenge. You can call it 7 days. You can say 2 weeks and all that. But let me tell you something. There's a downside of it. There are times that you start and things do not work out and you see yourself quitting, or you get so discouraged and you quit. No, 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 no. Don't quit. If you start this challenge and something happens and you're not able to continue, don't beat yourself. Skip 1 day or 2 days does not mean that that has been cancelled. No, it has not been cancelled. All right. So if you skip 1 day or 2 days, no problem. Continue. Just continue because there's something in it. There's something, like, you will get your watch if you are intentional about your uploads, you're intentional about your challenge, your shorts. You will surely get your 4,000 watch hours. Then if you're wondering, oh, how am I going to go about this? I just started a 30 days uploading challenge. If you're interested, please join this team because sometimes the Bible says iron sharpens iron, right? Now, if you have other people also uploading, it will encourage you. And I said that whenever you upload in this, if you are part of this challenge, whenever you have uploaded a video, come to that video I uploaded on that day and just write supplied. That's it. You have supplied. We are supplying the algorithm. We're supplying YouTube with content. All right. So hop onto this challenge and let's get our 4,000 watch hours fast. All right. If you're part of this challenge and you have uploaded video today, if you have uploaded any video, short, live stream, come back to this video and write supplied. We're going to be supporting ourselves. Like I said, every weekend, we're going to, for the next 4 Saturdays, we're going to be doing review, how we moved, our greatest challenge, how to improve on it. And I'm also going to be inviting guests to also talk with us, encourage us. When you are with a team of people that are into the same thing, just like you will get solution. You will grow faster. All right. So let's grow together. I'm not saying do watch for watch. I'm not a fan of that. Okay. But then grow genuinely. So if you have watched till this time, please like the video, give us a thumbs up, put down a comment about what stood out for you, and ensure you watch the next video. Thanks again. See you in my next video. Bye.